Good morning, all of you. Welcome again in your moral science class. Our today's chapter is Simple Living and High Thinking. Arnav wears simple but neat and tidy clothes. He never asks his parents to buy expensive toys. He eats whatever his mother gives him. He wants to become a scientist, so he devotes more time to his studies. Arnav believes in simple living and high thinking. What is your opinion on this topic? Answers these questions. Do you also believe in simple living and high thinking? Have you ever bothered your parents to buy expensive dresses for you? Do you always make complaints for the food they give you? Do you have any goal in your life? Do you work hard to achieve your goal? Let's extend the topic. Simple living means leading a life with limited resources. Resources means the things which are available to you. And high thinking means thinking positively to become a great person. If you study about the life of great people like Mahatma Gandhi, C.V. Raman, Abraham Lincoln, APJ Abdul Kalam, etc., you will find that all of them led a simple life. They all devoted their efforts and devotion to their work. Moreover, simple living helps you to lead a happy life. If we reduce our requirements and wants, we will not have to overburden ourselves. Many people think that leading a happy life means leading a luxurious life. No doubt, money is required for leading a comfortable and dignified life, but money cannot guarantee you a happy and peaceful life. If you want to lead a simple life, it is sure that you will not have any anxiety for earning more and more money. People are unhappy not because they are poor but because others are wealthy. The showy nature of human being does not let them lead a simple life. We should be rich not only in wealth but also in thoughts and values of life. Children, we should remember that human wants are unlimited. We cannot satisfy our wants even after becoming the richest man of the world. Then why should we not lead a simple life which at least gives us guarantee of a peaceful life? To lead a simple life, we do not need a huge amount of money. Besides, we do not need extra time to dress up, to look after the appliances of our physical comfort, and to maintain the status in society. If you lead a simple life, you will have enough time to spend on important activities. You should remember that wealth can be earned at any stage of life, but if you fail to earn knowledge at this stage, you will not be able to get it in the later phase of your life. Therefore, students are specially advised to lead a simple life. Leading a simple life does not mean that you should not wear a good dress or should not eat healthy food. You should wear such a dress that your parents give you. You should not be rigid to buy any particular dress or toy or any other thing. You should devote most of your time to your studies or other constructive activities. At this stage, you should not talk about money. You should not compare your dress or other things with those of your friends. You should be happy with what you have.